So where are we?
We are in Toronto.
We are in Toronto. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it's the Google offices, which are beautiful too.
Yeah, I like these offices, and the baristas here are some of the best.
Yes, and they made some art.
Yeah, the latte art. I've
Yeah.
had three
I
of
feel
these.
loved.
Not gonna lie, I've had three
Okay,
different
that's a lot.
latte art every time.
It's good.
So Lucia, why don't you introduce yourself?
Okay, yes, I can do that. My name is Lucia Chat. I work at SAP for the Global Developer Relations team. I'm a developer advocate and evangelist. I specialize in SAP HANA, which is our in-memory database and development platform. And we're working together with you, Casey, on CodeJams specifically. That's what we wanted to talk about today.
That's right. Yeah.
You can introduce yourself too.
Thank you.
For our audience, if you want.
Yeah, so I'm Casey West. I'm also a developer advocate, but for Google Cloud Platform. My background and specialty is in infrastructure and operations, and I've been spending a lot of time with SAP as one of our big partners. SAP runs SAP HANA on GCP really well, and we've been playing around with all the ways you can integrate applications and HANA with GCP services.
That's right. Yeah, one of the things that we could try was BigQuery integration, which I enjoyed a lot, because we have BigQuery which can run, of course, queries on a lot of data sets, huge data sets, and in our CodeJam we're tapping into 25 gigs, which is only a little portion of what BigQuery is holding in the open and free data sets that we can access, and transferring them onto HANA using our SDA integration and doing some predictive analytics on top of that. So it's pretty cool.
It's pretty fun, and the folks who have come to the CodeJams that we've hosted so far have had a really good time doing these integrations. They found it pretty powerful. So we've done CodeJams in Germany. We were in Munich and Hanover.
Right.
We did a CodeJam in Atlanta.
That's right.
And later this week we'll be in New York. And this is our preliminary set of CodeJams to try out this content and see what people think.
Yeah, and it's not only what people think, because we want people to try it out if they haven't had the chance yet. So I think that it's a good opportunity to mention that they can actually become hosts for a CodeJam and invite us, and we'll happily join them and go there and pay for food and coffee, and we'll have fun.
Yeah, so we're planning on releasing these CodeJams publicly sometime between SAP Sapphire and Google Next, which is June to July.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're also offering limited edition CodeJams to try out integration. So this is BigQuery, it's IoT Core,
Right.
We've got some machine learning and predictive analytics in there.
Exactly. We have some geospatial too. I forgot to mention that. It's brief, but it's also there.
Yeah, so how do people request a CodeJam if they want to know more about the partnership and the integrations between GCP and SAP HANA?
It's very easy. They can basically go into developers.sap.com, and there's a section there that's about events, and it explains all about the CodeJams. There's a link and an email address, and for that email address they can request the CodeJam, explain when and where they would like to host it. All we will request for them is that they provide a place in which people can sit down and plug their laptops and connect to the Wi-Fi, and that they also help us find proper catering that gives us yummy food and coffee throughout the day. We will pay for that, for the catering, and it should be open and free for everybody to attend. We also expect a minimum of 20-25 attendees and a maximum of 45, so that we can both engage with them and give them proper quality attention. So yeah, it's basically it. It's the request and when and where.
And during the day on these CodeJams, people will bring their machines and they'll do self-directed training. So we've put together all the materials to help people go step by step.
Exactly.
And those materials right now live on Google's CodeLab environment, which is how we do self-directed training. And we have Code Labs out in the public right now for all sorts of activities, and we'll be turning on the ones for SAP in a month or two. But during the day, people just go through these code labs, right?
Right, and then we come to a place in which if they want and want to try out new stuff and innovate, we're there to support them. So that's also very interesting. It's not just the guided material. We're there to explore and do new stuff and try out new things.
That's right. And another nice thing is that thanks to GCP, we're able to give everybody accounts and projects that are pre-built back to Google, so you don't have to spend a whole lot of money or spin up a whole lot of stuff on your own to try these things out.
Right, or swipe credit cards, which is sometimes a stopper, even though GCP does free credits for people to try out.
That's right, yeah. Every user gets $300 of credit on GCP, $300 US of credit every time they want to start with GCP. That's true. So I assume that we could Google search for SAP CodeJam and find a form to fill out to request a CodeJam officially.
Yes, you will find a video and our landing page for events, and the key there is an email address that we can pull down here. And that's how you request a CodeJam.
Is that how the magic YouTube thing works? Like people just point at something and then it automatically
Yeah, and
fills
then
it
you
in?
can, yeah.
Maybe it's
That's
machine
how it
learning.
works. Yeah, I think it knows, right? Because YouTube is also great.
How
It's a
are we
great
going to do it
product.
with machine learning? So if people wanted to reach out to you or me on social media, if you wanted to find me, I'm at Twitter at Casey West, at Casey West.
Right.
And you are...
I'm at Lucia Blake. I can also put that here. You can put your...
That is amazing. I like how this works.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's great.
Fantastic.
Well, it's been great.
Is there anything else that anybody should know?
I don't think so. I think that everybody should contact us and request their CodeJams.
I agree. We like to go places in the world and teach people things, and we get a lot of fun and enjoyment out of that. So please send your requests in. It's been a good time so far, and I think it'll continue to be a good time.
Yes. I'm looking forward to sharing everything we've done with everybody out there.
I think we've earned the right to finish our coffee.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Prost.
Prost.